Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to report a video on TikTok or video not following TikTok guidelines. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. TikTok has become one of the most popular platforms in the world with millions of users and a huge number of videos on it. All of these videos must follow TikTok's community guidelines. If they don't follow the community guidelines, they are at risk of being removed from the platform. So if you see a video which doesn't follow the community guidelines, and if you want to report it, all you have to do is to tap on the little share button at the right corner of the screen. Then you need to tap on the report button right here. It's going to open a menu with a couple of different reasons which you can choose from. You can select any of the reasons from a list, like sexual or adult content, hateful behavior, violence, or many other things from the list. If you don't see the reason that you need, you can select the other option from the bottom. Then simply submit the report by clicking here. The report will be submitted to TikTok. You should get a notification in a day or two if the video was removed. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.